ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki Shipai Border Security Force ki bapahara baro arpusaw kenta ya kakhapo jang kari India bat kari Bangladesh hapo kini ke jela Meghalaya kilayok Kurup hado lai pukandai Klur sapu nyolak arpukandai hajar shispa arpotengka ki mar balasalan bi anya ki benta bakhapo Tang Snem arajar arpuwe kini ki mar balakhayi bi anya hakhapo jang kari India bat kari Bangladesh yang ki balayok Kurup de ki Shipai BSF ki kintop yang ki masih khayi to ki dawai fensidel kakiat ki dry pi ki dawai kuli yaba ganja kapisa India bat kapisa Bangladesh ya kani la pentip do Deputy Inspector General jong katanat Shipai BSF Meghalaya Frontier Uparvin Bakshi hakajingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hakasni sajjan jong ka arpu tarik ubanai kela lingkot arajar arpu ar.
Let's have a glance on some operational achievements made by BSF during 2021. Besides pandemic, 2021 has been a successful year for Meghalaya Frontier. Meghalaya Frontier has seized smuggled goods of more than 39.47 crore, which include 3,267 cattle, narcotics, dry peas, and other miscellaneous items.
Uliat horu ba nagini ki donpat sa shispa asan pusangut ki bril ki bala syakkem haki Shipai BSF ki bala jam bean sya upur usam jong ke India bat kari Bangladesh ha ka baki kintop ya prapo kundaingut ki badai ki nong India bat hendru pulaingut pat ki badai ki nong song snong jong kari Bangladesh nang tadi sa arngut ki dai ki nong song snong jong kari Nigeria bat uwei unong Africa.
Were apprehended while violating the sanctity of international boundary, comprising 89 Indians, 63 Bangladeshi, 2 Nigerian and 1 African. Recently, BSF Meghalaya has also motivated and persuaded one of the active HNLC cadres, namely Junel Tongper, to surrender before the BSF, and such persuasion will continue in the future also, so that other misguided youth could be brought into the mainstream. For having peace and tranquility on international border, we know the importance of our relation with Border Guard Bangladesh, BGB. In a bid to strengthen the relation further, various measures have been taken. Besides various flag meetings at borders to sort out routine matters, IG level talk in the month of November was held to resolve complex pending issues and make borders safer. Besides many stray cattle which entered Indian territory, BSF Meghalaya handed over 11 Bangladesh nationals to BJP who crossed the IB unintentionally or with any non-peril intention. A Maitri cycle rally was conducted in Meghalaya Frontier to promote harmony and friendship along the border areas and to include the sense of mutual trust between the BSF troops and the BGP. Recently concluded a 3-day operation in which the driving lessons were checked. So basically, you know, there is an app, Privan app, which gives you the detail if you feed just the number. So by that app, we are checking the authenticity of the drivers and their licenses. And if we found somebody, so police and RTO is there, we hand over to them. Police is always there, LCS, because we are not conducting this operation on the hinterland, on the land customs situation and ICP, where the trucks are taking the goods to the Bangladesh. There we are conducting.